Greetings, respected judges. We are students from Sekolah Sultan Alam Shah, Putrajaya, Malaysia. Today, we will be sharing our presentation, Sustainable Solutions for a Greener Future.
The world needs more energy than ever, but the way we produce it is harming our planet. There have been shortages in gas worldwide as fossil fuels remain the dominant source of energy. Combustion of fossil fuels, like in process in many gas-powered vehicles, result in air pollution which fill the air with greenhouse gases, some of which are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. In the end, everybody gets hurt as climate change lowers the quality of life of citizens and animals around the globe.
We do have renewable solutions that offer cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels, but clean does not always mean constant. For example, solar energy is clean as it uses energy from the sun, but it doesn't produce energy at night, causing it to not be as efficient. Wind energy is powerful if in the right conditions, yet unpredictable as we don't have control over the weather. Hydroelectricity is reliable, but the cost of building facilities is high and also affects the natural environment around it.
Hello, please tell us your name and what you do for work.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Suhaida Yusof. I am with the corporate strategy of Petroleum National Berhad.
So we trust that you have enough experience to give your opinions on the questions. Firstly, why do you think Malaysia is exploring different clean energy options? Is it for economical reasons or are there other factors to this initiative?
Malaysia is moving towards a lower carbon future, and that is under the National Energy Transition Roadmap. As electricity demand increases, especially from industries and data centers, we need energy sources that are not only clean, but also reliable and consistent. That's why we are exploring other sources.
Thank you for your response. Moving on to question 2. Do you think that renewable energy alone can meet this demand?
As this demand is forecasted to be quite high, so we need to explore a lot of sources. So we see that renewable energy is extremely important and it will also continue to grow. However, some renewable sources depend on weather conditions. This is why countries around the world are also exploring other low carbon options, including nuclear energy, to provide a stable baseload power. The challenge is no longer choosing between sustainability and reliability. The future requires both. I hope that answers the question.
Thank you very much for your time and cooperation.
No problem. My pleasure. Thank you.
So, it is clear that we need energy that is both clean and reliable 24/7. We can compare all the options as shown. Fossil fuels have high emissions, but they are reliable at producing energy. This doesn't make up for the fact that it causes pollution. Renewables have low emissions, but they are mostly intermittent as their sources rely on the natural occurrences like day and night and the weather. Nuclear has low emissions, produce energy at a constant rate, and have a high output of energy. This leads us to a nuclear energy as a potential solution. Countries around the world have already demonstrated how nuclear energy can work. France shows us that nuclear can power an entire nation. Japan reminds us that safety must always come first. Finland proves that even nuclear waste can be managed responsibly. This means Malaysia does not need to start from zero. We can learn from these experiences.
Malaysia can adopt nuclear energy safely, but only if it is done correctly. First, by using modern reactor technology that is designed to prevent accidents. Second, by enforcing strong regulations to ensure safety at all times. And third, by learning from countries that have already successfully implemented nuclear energy. Together, these form the foundation of a safe nuclear future for Malaysia.
Malaysia is not starting from zero. Over the past few years, the government has taken important steps to prepare for nuclear energy. Nuclear has been included in national energy planning, and a dedicated organization has been established to coordinate development based on international standards. At the same time, laws have been updated to strengthen safety and waste management. Malaysia is also exploring small modular reactors which are safer and more flexible. These developments show that Malaysia is preparing carefully and responsibly for a nuclear future. Preparation today ensures safety tomorrow.
So, what can we do? Firstly, as students, we can educate ourselves and others about clean energy. Through the classroom or our jobs, simply spreading the information and understanding the state of the world can do lots. Secondly, we can reduce electricity waste in our daily lives. Shutting down appliances when not needed or in use will end with us reducing the amount of energy used and, more importantly, the amount of energy wasted. A little action goes a very long way. Thirdly, we can participate in STEM-based activities and develop future energy solutions, applying critical thinking to help us innovate for our future. Lastly, we can support science-based decisions for a sustainable future. Instead of taking everything we see on the internet as facts, we should be firm in confirming with our own research to separate fact from fiction. The future of energy is not just about technology. It is about informed and responsible people like us.